Why is everything red?
They are. You're going to be slightly different results today.
That's going to be a bit of handball, but obviously unique. The fact they're in kayaks. These kayaks different. For agility, players can spin almost instantly. And then 3 meters high. And then with a bumper on the front there. Can spin, but again, put only in position, dribble down the field. Obviously out there, the formation here. Blocking in, they take a shot. Oh, great block there by the keeper. You see the goalkeeper lift the pedal high. Really, obviously, a really effective way to block the goal, especially those top corners. But looks like we've playing still in position. Number 3, Bailey John, passing around, position, Butler. Back. Pretty fast ball here, only allowed 5 seconds in position and 60 seconds for luck before you must attempt a goal. So that will be winding down for Hawke at the moment. Big fast there. By John. Here we go, Hawke. Little shot. Oh, great block there. 5 seconds at the beginning of the game becomes incredibly fast paced. You know what? For these boys, and none of the clean appetite. Kilo io hariana papa bueno me 5 kilo no iki ona tsukari kona kore papa kete ikatu katrame oro able to find opening there, so good job by Otaki Karaprame. Encouraging Hastings up there, 10th break block there by the keeper, a bit of attention but he's able to release that ball and now again transition. Amazing athletes, polo, never a pedal, handle, not only the ball, but high air, balance as well. So new skill. Seeing a lot of attention there in the corner, able to fit back, but also Kaprama will still be in position. 10-minute halves here. The win moment in Hawke's Bay, so that will certainly be a factor. Actually wanting to battle with the win instead of against it. Good sport, very lucky to have Whakaata MāORI Plus broadcasting this event and a few events throughout these next 2 weeks. Summer tournament week, obviously starting off with the Canoe Polo here. Also, I'd like to thank Apollo Project, Caltex, Natifa, Anchor and Bailey for their support. Especially tournaments like that you don't, this year in the scene, you don't hear of these kind of sports, just to show the variety of sports that are available for everyone, but especially high school age players. Yeah, dribbles in, it's blocked. Back passing transition, it's almost spot on falling by a fast break here by Hastings Boyd. Trying to get back and he does a good job. Almost an Eskimo. Oh yeah, another Eskimo roll there. Easy skill. Full body, straight. So you are able to push when enough Pepper has position the ball. But not hold, whether that's the player or the kayak. Obviously, Bowman did a good job turning position over, swimming, Hastings position player. No, oh, he puked up by Pedal no Kari 50 aya. Yeah, he said, no. Foi a parceira vai ficar na engenharia para tomar getting close. key when you're balancing in a kayak to try and get a range goal. Great job here, besting the most part of this first half doing the attacking. Ooh, that was a great attempt, but again blocked by the keeper. All besting boys. No, Alright, fight, alright. Ahua turu mena te kumata kakata kakate kukuma no mo te tonia o kume te
It's not even morning, bro. It's 13-10.
Are you gonna win? Are you gonna win?
Zero.
Who do you face?
I don't know. Same meter.
Played them, bro. Kyle.
He's coming in retirement, bro. He went into retirement.
Ko timata no te haurua tuarua o tēnei kimu manga e Otaki College Karate Otaki Karate o Paraparaumu i te tima kua me te rapu engari ko hono i whakarana i 18 points boys high school ākina. No score enough in the first half. I would say Otaki Paraparaumu were dominantly on attack, but both teams getting some good looks, good shots, just keep it able to block them for the most part. So interesting to see the second half. On the ball, contact there, right in the middle, not too wet. Must be in there somewhere. Obviously they've changed things now, so there it is. Ramu getting a bit of attention there, but he's able to release the pass to his solid player. Gets a shot up, but it is blocked again by Hastings' keeper. Really, working the ball around the ice, looking for openings. Both teams just able to make the shots at the moment as Hastings boys get the ball down. I guess, strong defensive pressure, it's just forcing them. Didn't say that mistakes, missed goal. Just put it through the defence. The shot goes up, but it is blocked by the keeper. That was a great effort, on goal, but well defended there, well blocked by the keeper, but still on the tick yet. And they're able to get the first goal. It was just a well worked attacking formation, attacking play. Use their cuts, but you can see how fast decision making has to be for Canoe Polo. Players only having 5 seconds on the ball. you also see how fast transitions are, you know, and as the well, don't really have time to dwell on much. Let's get on to the next thing. Down the field. Nice. Ah, well. I'm not an expert, as you can probably tell in canoe polo. I think that maybe it's only people that are able to block shots with pedal. Time with the keeper, so again, if I get cut a promo, shot one of it right there, so they'll quickly get back on defense, not wanting Hastings to get another point. Feel nicely here, meet with defenders. Ooh, he goes for the shot again. Pedals, but that looking like not the keeper, so again, Hastings will have possession. No, Hastings boys here, quite good. So Haere ni e after that. Seconds before they must make an attempt. These things here, they want to use up as much of that time as they can. Stand up the top. Drive through. Oh, and a shot's made, but it's blocked. Huge if they can get a goal here. Really pushing on Hastings as we pass the halfway mark off the second half. Right through the middle there. Shot up, but unfortunately great pass there. A bit of support through the middle. Another shot put up again. Hastings has been able to make the most of their opportunities in the second half. Hastings was bicycle. Pirua no Mārata, Duranga Piro Kiki Kore. Kaiotaki need to score here. Game a really big ask, but something good comes from Otaki Karapromu. Capable. But Yana Kaiwa Wow, Kikai Kana here. Looking for the third point here. Oh! Okay, wild here. Subtle position. Clean up with it. Down the field. Oh, nice pass into space there. Good opportunity for Otaki. Yeah, and they capitalise it. Great goal. Great transition there by Otaki, just put so much pressure on defense, able to turn the ball over and then transition. Wow, and get the point. So now under 2 minutes left of this first match here. E toru ngā whira whakaturana i te kata Māori nei whakatauta I tēnei rangi I toru nei whira kua toru I rua anō saying there's 3 fields being broadcast here in the Canoe Polo Championships. Very lucky and I before we do thank the Kata Māori Polo Project, Hawke, Mitre, Tinker and Bailey for showing this free here in many other sports throughout the next couple of weeks. Very exciting. Community, Toyana, and I know the boys all want to use as much of this time up as they possibly can. Not allowing Otaki. You can get a look in here. Powerful Imahi Puna, Toyana, Mitre. Cutting here, good ball, passing. Couple here. Yeah, that was well done by Hastings there. Fouled it up, so they'll be able to kind of work the spot as you see. Otaki pushing in defence, trying to force Hastings into another position. Governor Kapotua, more Otaki, Karaparome. Time will run out for Otaki, Karaparome College. So this first game, this Division 2, will be won by Hastings Boys High School. Otaki College and Karaparome College combined. Only able to get 1 point. Next up on this field we have Lundertown Senior B playing Academy High School Senior B. So join us back here for that match up next. hoki mai. Tātou kemu. Tuarua nei mo te whira tuatoru. Whakatautai. Waka poi waka. Mōkere tuarua o te mo te tuarana ki te mata o Māui. Welcome back to our cooking game. Day one of the Canoe Polo Championships, secondary school championships being held in Hawke's Bay for the weekend here. The very beginning of our summer sport tournament week. Took over 2 weeks. These two teams here, Senior B and High School Senior B. We'll pull out their names. We're able to also see the numbers on the sheet, so we can identify who's who. Starting off with Senior B here, George Dorwood. Number 1, number 2, George Glover. Number 3, James Bishop. Number 4, Oscar Fitness. Number 5, Cameron Huckle. Number 6, Leo Baker. And number 7, Blake Sprout. Sprout, out of the mic. 4, Canoe High School Senior B. Number 2, Tyler Burgess. Number 3, Nate Cuthbert. Number 4, Jack Monroe. Number 5, Sam Garrett. Number 6, Corey Knight. So, Canoe High School, only 5 players. As you know, only 5 able on the field for one team at one time. So, no subs for Canoe High School. As I said, he plays going to be incredibly hard throughout this match. But as you see, coming already on the board with his first goal, they'll be really happy about that and have it on the scoreboard early. Again, attack. Through the middle, but the pass can't connect. So in this one, but getting transition here. A lot of pressure on transition here. All in this one. Not making it easy for them to get out. Clear defensive pass. But he hapa, he hara. Ngā raitanga. No karamu no reira. Koroi Nane. A lot of pressure on defense coming out. Cut off those passing lanes. Wow, great. A lot of pressure on the by Canoe High School. I've got to get that turnover. But when you're the Canoe Polo, which I am, but I don't think of it as a mix of polo class or handball. 4-3, but obviously it's different players can kayak. I think the next thing I think about water polo is this raised goal, raised about 2 metres into the water. I think it's tough players to be able to not only kind of paddle well, be able to keep your balance and still be able to score through. Also, only in position for 5 seconds, so incredibly fast game. As you see, I don't really kind of see that. I put so much pressure on, they don't kind of just think back, wait. They think some of them they go out, put a lot of pressure on, force early turnovers, just there, incredible defensive pressure being put on by them. Shot fast. All out of there. Transition. Almost done that. There's a lot of congestion here. Good job though. Just gonna roll there. So pick up. He does that. vai to support in a kapuka wātupa. Polo project Hawke Netava ka Bailey Toki Rasi and Kapuka for anything like kapuka. And you know, I'm going to watch all these tournaments live, free to hear from any device, wherever you want. It'll be lucky. Yeah. So I've finished that on the board. Good shot piece, but it is blocked. High. I'll keep that. I'll get another chance. Again, gotta move. All over them. Shot so fast. Already. Fast break. Oh, that's great defense. Violent, almost a short goal there. Net speed after his tackle in the second 10 minutes. Gotta move. They're in the lead 3 minutes time. Hawke mano mo anga todo kene kimu wangano e karmu here on this farm kene todo para parte different divisions of this competition we take karmu basto kene pe and karmu after a really strong start as they did that first half. They'll be incredibly effective on defense. Team Morocco's really just press so hard, not making it easy at all for them just can't get more out of their half. They at all times. Obviously effective for them. And able to get a few points in transition, being able to break up fast, find a catch. Every time on the back, I was going to say back foot. We're not in that close after all. We end up picking our net again here, Monday, Pascal, in that team. That's going to be our first up for us. At the moment, all their competition starting from it. More days to make everyone choosing today, big day tomorrow. Final day on Friday. No, that's quite good. Oh yeah. Away from them, all to the quite oriented and play now. Actually, sort of mistake to find that. I think he's going to break away all there. Fine. Yeah, but that's only quite good. Good ball. Yeah, and he is. Really sharp ball movement here by Karamu. Fine. One open in the middle there. Fires. 1-0. Yeah, they got 30 points. First up here with extra. A lot of pressure on. Great way to start. Able to take the time. Another point for Karamu. Versus the B. Get that to the tape and they all have. Use the pros and cons. And to take the second of your go back and you wait for the thing to come to you in front of around the goal area. Or you can do what Karamu is doing. Press up hard. Just working for them at the moment, so doing that. You'll hide it, funny photo. In there after that. Quite it all. Drive in there. I like that shot, I like the look there. Extra blocking by, I don't know. Ball out. Just making stuff up to drive through. Some support there in the middle, but rebound off the kayak. Under 4 minutes left here. Karamu still just so much pressure on. Never giving up. Working around the perimeter there. Karamu. See that loose position. Dribbles up. Field. Yes, that capacity to take the ball from him can just be well thought out, well executed by players. Next by boys, Nino Kaha, penalty. Yeah, 5 just say go to the yard. Gonna, who I can do what. Taking quite a sprint to see here at the start. Full movement. Yeah, super well. Oh, but great work by the second keeper. He's giving a full earnest job. Competition. Yeah, well done. Just found that time through like Cameron Hawke. Well done, now we have to get on the board there and start.
Please stay on side. You can't have a quick restart if you're offside.
Direction there, by the umpire. I'd like to play the game at pace, but there's a little rule. Out the offside. Direction there. Opening. So don't set time. Time. Testing up wide once again. Oh no, the big push. Oh, he wasn't able to get it, but I thought the good hit wide was trying to get it. But they're able to get a shot off. Hit it that time. Oh. Amazing skill shown here by both teams. Obviously, Canoe this game able to any leeway here. So they will win the second round of it. Given in this far. Next on this field, we do have St. Peter's College playing fielding Crystal Senior A. So we're going to speak here in a few minutes for our third round match as we're going to see an Mitre and get it cut away for Tutu Kiaran's Farm Senior B. 3 at the moment, and we have St. Peter's College playing Fielding High School Senior A. St. Peter's at number 1 we have Cameron Donald, number 2 Samuel Collins, number 5 Miley Griggs, number 6 Cassidy Griggs, number 7 Kyle Barker, number 8 Jack Carr. And for Fielding High School Senior A, we have number 1 Bruno Anderson, number 2 Eli Saxon, number 3 Declan Stewart Thomas, number 4 Clint Payton, number 5 Darcy Gibson, number 6 Campbell Marson, 7 Caleb James, number 8 Lydia Ritchie. Building obviously being in the red, green. Building. Here. Early.
Go Kylie! Go Kylie! Push! Push!
Now, St. Peter's College position, triple down the field here. Singing opening the opposite, yelling opposite, middle. They've followed 5-13 in kayaks. 5 players per team in kayaks, and they're passing the ball and trying to score in a raised goal. It's about 2 metres off the water. 5 seconds with the ball. I think it's about 1 minute to shoot. It's a very fast-paced game. Good to watch. If you're not really into, if you don't know much about the red polo, think of it as a mixed water polo, but about playing kayaks, obviously. So, really exciting, fun game. Requires a lot of skill, a lot of strength, a lot of balance. One of the unique things about the red polo in the kayak is the raised goal, which means players will shoot upward, which is why it kind of makes it similar to basketball. You don't really shoot straight ahead, which you do in water polo and handball. At times I'm able to connect, but these kayaks are built for agility. Players spin almost instantly. 2 attack or defend at 3 metres long. Goalkeeper lift, paddle fight, really effective way. Put the top corner, contact goal, the only way to do it really. It's a really important by position. That was challenge there. He's just able to push other players if they are in position. Push players for their kayak, but if you are not in position of the ball, you're unable to push them. You're unable to hold players at any time. So great defense there by St. Peter's College, kind of keeping the umpire out of calling foul. Haro, Pera Piro, St. Peter's College, so St. Peter's College on the board here. Tournament selected this first half. Breakfast here. So interesting seeing the different defensive tactics for each team. I suppose the two games of this field. Two very different games previously. First game, the kids kind of dropped back and waited for the attacking players to come to them and kind of block them in contested area around and under the goal. The second game, I saw Karame High School just with so much pressure, high up, doesn't allow this round to even kind of space at all, and they were able to turn it over early and get a couple of those fast breaks down the point there. Let's see what tactics these two teams, St. Peter's and Building High School, use. Right, yeah, they're going to drop back. Wait for Building High School to come to them. Everybody on our Building High School Polo community day after I said earlier, give about a minute for a goal up. They're marking out goal and this is that time. I'll get back on BT. Building as quick as they can. Seeing if they can get a second goal. Great block there by Keeper. The 34-year-old continuing to pedal wide. Pedal this time. Koe no patera te haurua tuatahi o tēnei kimuhi ki mai no. Te haurua tuarua. Te wainga me te St. Peter's, Hawke Building. St. Peter's currently leading this game 1-0.
Jericho, get Kohu to watch the 1-2-2 because that's what we're trying to do, and then St. Peter's are doing it really well.
Ki mai no matuanga tuara o tēnei kimu, ko St. Peter's te tine wai e toana kia Building High School Senior A, ko tai ki te kore, this time. St. Peter's leading, able to get a goal kind of halfway through that first half. Fielding as of yet not able to get on the board. But still seeing glimpses of good things from both teams. Not much in this game. Driving finds support there through the middle. He's looking for an opening and he gets it. And then looked it away and faked it. Able to finish. Yeah, great finish. It's not easy when you're balancing in a kayak and throwing it at a raised goal. So incredibly well done by St. Peter's College. That was great patience on attack by St. Peter's. Pulled the ball out and then kind of attacked through the middle there. Turnover there. Kind of a fast break here. St. Peter seeing if they can stay on the ball, catch the keeper, and he does just that. Able to finish so well there. Such good quick transition there. They'll work the ball around now, fielding, see if they can find an opening. Timi apata I tēnei wā, mohone tino hihera te te whakiro. Right, St. Peter's get too far. Another fast break here for St. Peter's College. They want to make the most of it and just put this game out of reach for Fielding High School, and they do just that. Fielding here, we want to be patient. We also need to get points on now. I don't want to waste too much time. Put on the board. Yeah, Rawe. It's great work. Good patience on attack, but not too patient. They need to get moving right now if they want to stay in this game. And this is where kia kone whakaro ka āta haere St. Peter's College. They're in control here. They want to use up as much time as they can. Tino āta haere St. Peter's, Momo wā ana, mohi ana ki te Momo rā whai te wā, kāre e whai wā mō Fielding. Kia hoki mai, kia toi tēnei kēmu. A bit of opening, he puts the shot up, but he's able to get it through the net there. Over 5 minutes here, toi nei tēnei wā. Ka whai piro anō St. Peter's. Reira, kia tēnei whakaro. I mean, I don't know. That pretty much could have secured them the game there, St. Peter's. around the perimeter. He sees a cutter there. Yeah, great block there. Right, cutter move. St. Peter's still trying to put pressure on. Put some pressure. Press, yeah, on to St. Peter's. St. Peter's still able to get out of it. So a bit of miss there. Next player, it's great cut. Oh, just unable to finish there. That was good work. Way to look over all the mess and find the cutting player, but they will get another chance in position here. St. Peter's to kind of extend their score. Yeah, great cut and look, oh, but it hits the upright bar. So they'll try and transition quickly here. St. Peter's as will fielding. St. Peter's do well to get another point here. Yeah, great block there by the keeper. See his pedal go up. Oh, but they're able to come through with that rebound. Put it straight in. Another point there for St. Peter's. They've lifted up definitely in the second half here. You can see them pressing up high. They know there's not long to go. St. Peter's trying to kind of wind the clock down. Geez, St. Fielding's a great job here. So get that 45 seconds to go. So good work by Fielding here. Chase him down. Get out of that really well, St. Peter's. Done enough in this game to secure the win. So Fielding turned over there, but that will be time up. Next up on this field we have Napier Boys High School B playing Middleton Grange High School. Mei Hiki mai no tērā kemu, engari mo tēnei katoa a St. Peter's College Whitu, the Fielding High School Senior A Rua. tīmata anō tēnei kemu, te kemu tua whā o te rangi nei, ringi tēnei whira te whira tua toru, i te whakataetai makapoi waka i tuana ki te mata Māori. I te mitinga wiki nei, i tīmata i te haupautanga o te rā, engari ka haere tonu enei kemu tāna ki te mitinga o te rā tapu. So welcome back here for this fourth matchup we have here on field 3 at the Canoe Polo Secondary School Championships in Hawke's Bay. These two teams here at Napier Boys High School B and Middleton Grange High School. We just had St Peter's get a win over Fielding High School Senior 8. A good one over Fielding High School Senior 8, but these two teams, Napier Boys High School Senior B, as both have already got on the board early here, looking like a really good matchup. But number 1 for Napier Boys High School, we have William Birch. Number 2, Cameron Hartley. Number 3, Caden Grauman May. And number 4 is Oliver Birch. Number 5 is Mason Murray. Number 6 is Finn Casey. And number 7, Oliver Levi. And number 9, Blake Pittman. And from Middleton Grange High School, at number 1, Matthew Bogue. Number 2, Isabella Morrison. Number 3, Isabella Bibgood. Number 4, Harry Lowe. Number 5, Monty Given. Number 6, Holly Taylor. Number 7, Sol Armstrong. And number 8, Rocco Eleanor. So those are our two teams here. Koe rō tātou tīma e rua. Tēnei kemu. Got one more game left on this field after this. And that's Pumps North Boys High School Senior B playing St Andrew. But for now, Middleton Grange able to turn over possession. And they'll push down the field here. These kayaks are specially designed for the sport. Boats are around 3 meters long, 3 meters, and with rounded ends, protective bumpers, so they're built to be able to spin quickly. They're built for agility, so players can almost spin instantly to attack or defend, transition. As you see them spin very quickly and transition onto D here at Middleton Grange. So Napier Senior Boys B team will try and get another point on the ball and take the lead here halfway through this first half. I want to see these teams very evenly matched here. It's going to be a good game. So 9-8 call Middleton Grange, kia rate te koro. Because players only get 5 seconds with the ball, the game becomes incredibly fast paced. Also, a minute to score, or to attempt to score. Tactics, they kind of decide, they attack, they run through, they see the cutter, they give, they shoot. That was a good look. Yeah, it's not easy. You're trying to balance on your kayak and throwing to a raised goal. This goal's about 2 meters off the water. So we'll see what Napier Boys can do here. Yes, both teams just kind of settling into their structures, whether that be defensive or attacking structures here. Kamiana i ngā ngoikoretanga o ngā tīma, i ngā kōhau hoki, ngā ākuta. Tae rātou te whai pero. Te tiro, tēnei wā, ki te mena kata te whai te pero. Hoi anō, ka whiwhi i a Middleton Grange te poro i tērā wā, so they'll transition back again. Strong defensive pressure there, forcing them into a mistake there, Napier Boys. Grange did well to close down those passing lanes. Mariano, same at this time, both teams putting on really great defence. Napier boys transition very quickly. Middleton Grange want to get back as fast as they can. Yeah, quick transition. They move from defence to attack here at Middleton Grange. Oh, big shot there. Doesn't quite make it. Boys now passing around the perimeter, finding some open spaces as he finds his cutter. He looks, oh, good block there from the keeper. He's the only one who's directly under the hoop there, but it will still be Napier ball, so his pad will go up there and block that shot. No, it will be Middleton Grange in position. Middleton Grange at the point here, go into the next half in the lead. Piu, haere ora te koutaku I te poro, kia whai tatari, kia whai wā, kia whai kuru. Nice blocks there by Napier. That's in there. Oh, didn't quite get to his target, but they will hustle. That's great work. Quiet Middleton Grange, number 3, Isabella Bedgood, able to get that, find the cutting player. Able to get the goal there. Seeing signs of some good things. Yeah, by both sides. I'm going to quit Torisuko Konei Toyana, so 30 seconds left in this first half. I want to finish strong, to send them into the second half in the lead. Sticking away, seeing if they can kind of entice the D to go back. They're still able to get that. So that will send Middleton Grange to top for this first half. So tēnei wā ko Middleton Grange toana kia Napier Boys High School Senior B rua ki te kotahi. Ki mai anō. Ka tīmata anō tō tātou haurua tuarua I tēnei kēmu I Whanganui ia Middleton Grange, me Napier Boys High School. Middleton Grange able to finish in those last few seconds of that first half with a goal which allowed them to lead 2-1, but it has been very even in this game. They both scored very early in the game, but then just put great defensive pressure, stopping many stops, many defensive stops. Kind of ensued until the very end when Middleton Grange was able to get their second goal. It looks like things have picked up right where they left off. Ringa pukinga wena kai hoi me nui o pukinga kia whakahei aku kia tākoro I tēmu nei me taia te hoi, me taia te piu, me taia te whakataui a koe anō I runga I te waka I te whawetaka I roto I te wai tino kaha me tō puku me ngā ua I roto I tō puku me whakataui tō tinana te taia te piu hoki. Whoa, miharo tērā piu. Great goal there by Middleton Grange. Faked his body around, found a little gap there and just shot it off. That was unbelievable, actually. And great goal there. You know, one unique thing about Canoe Polo is the goal was raised 2 metres. Which kind of has to force the player to shoot upwards, kind of have to lift your body up, which is a whole different skill in itself. So well done there by Middleton Grange. So now Napier Boys will want to kind of respond immediately. They won't want Middleton Grange getting too far ahead. Games are very quick, only 10-minute halves. So you get too far behind, it's really tough to catch up again. Napier Boys want to stay in this. Ooh, good block there by Middleton keeper. Napier High School will get another opportunity. A lot of attention by Middleton Grange. And they get a deflection there. Not sure what happened there, but there is a hapa, there's a foul. Boys high school in position, we get to the halfway, trying to get this fast break, this transition, quick transition. It's be huge if they're able to score here. Oh, good deflection, great D there by Middleton Grange. Number 2, Isabella Morrison, really well there. Games, we want to really slow this up now, kind of run the clock down as often as they can. Not let Napier Boys get a look in here. Rarenoa koe mihi ki o tātou kai tautoko te kaupapa nei Polo Project, Caltex, Nativa, Inca, Baileys o tira kia Māori Plus, Tata Māori o Mort. kātui nei. Nei kēmu, tēnei whakataetai o tira i ngā whakataetai e ka mai ana moenei wiki e rua. Milton Grange, on the tip again. Some really good looks actually. Deflected well there by Napier. It will be Milton Grange in position and are doing well to use up a lot of this time. Stay in control of this match. Morrison again, she finds Matthew Rogue and he misses that time. Napier really needing to score here. They are to win this match. Oh no, there's a foul. Papa made a good fight. Good off there. Milton Grange just not letting up, not giving easy out there. But Napier to Portal and they can see touching Milton Grange a bit behind. If they can push up quickly here. Great block there. Good ball. Passing. Seeing if they can get a look. It's so hard in there. Obviously the closer you get to the net, to the hoop, to the goal I should say. Oh, that was close though. That great block there. Yeah, Nate threw that ball right over. Great transition here by Milton Grange. Napier able to get it back again. Only 1 minute left. Oh, for support there in the middle, but doesn't connect. We're not Te Ahua Nate, katoa Middleton Grange tēnei kēmu. Whai ki nei rangi tēnei papa Palmerston North Boys High School Senior B e tāku ana i St Andrews. Tērā te kēmu whakamitunga mō te papa nei i tēnei rangi. Reira hoki mai mō tērā kēmu e whai ki nei as we get to the end of this match. Fourth match, sorry. Middleton Grange will take this one 3 to Napier Boys High School 1. Draw me back in a couple of minutes for Palmerston North Senior B, Palmerston North Boys High School Senior B playing St Andrews, and that will be the last game for this field today. Nā mahoki mā no mo tēnei kēmu, whakamutunga mo tēnei whira, te whira tuatoru, whakataitai, makapoi waka, he tu ana ki te matau Māori tēnei wā. Welcome back for, this is the final game for this field here, field 3, here at the Secondary School National Canoe Polo Championship, which is in Hawke's Bay at the moment, so if you're in Hawke's Bay, go on and check it out live. Very exciting sport, a lot of skill on show here these next 3 days. Here we have Palmerston North Boys High School Senior B playing St Andrew, and I'll call out those names for Palmerston North High School Senior B. We have number 1 Sterling Lumbie, number 2 Will Martin, number 3 Mannix Simpson, number 4 Jake Whittleborn, number 5 Lachlan Dazzler, number 6 Adam Reed, number 7 Ollie Smiley, and number 8 Zane Beeman. And they're playing St Andrews College, and for St Andrews number 1 is Harrison Shaw, number 2 is Henry White, number 3 Ethan Lou Berger, number 4 Max Taylor, number 5 Luca Rose, number 7 is Luke Clue, and number 8 is Nate Brandle. So there are 2 teams in this is Division 2 for this Canoe Polo Championship. But already in his first few games seen some amazing skill on show here. Such an interesting sport, canoe polo. I guess it's kind of a mixture between obviously water polo, basketball, a bit of handball, but obviously point of difference there in their kayaks. These kayaks are built for agility, players can spin almost instantly. To attack or defend. They got their only 3 meters, but they got their rounded ends to protect bumpers. They're rounded ends with protected bumpers. There's a lot of contact that happens at times, as you see. A lot of contact, so those rounded edges just to keep everyone safe. Yeah, we see here St Andrew working the ball around, looking for a few holes here. Because players are only in position, only allowed to have possession for 5 seconds, the game becomes incredibly fast. Teams have a minute to attempt goal. Player receiving contact, but you are able to make contact with a player in their kayak if they are in position, but only a push. You're not able to hold that player or their kayak. That would include a foul or penalty. Fast break here for Palmerston North boys. Sees a bit of attention by a couple of St Andrews. They get back pretty quickly. Only boys still in possession. Great defense and position by St Andrew, able to turn that right back over. See if they can get the ball out of their half and have a shot at goal. Oh, but it rebounds off, unfortunately, for St Andrew. These both teams are settling into their structure here, just figuring each other out. And in this first 5 minutes to settle. Palmerston North able to be on the board, and they'll be happy with that. Showing some good patience and attack at the moment, Palmy, as they figure out what they're going to do. Trying to release there, he finds his man. So they'll push out again, Palmy boys, trying to reset themselves. It's a Defense holding their shape well right now. Oh yeah. Transition here, St Andrew in front of us to attack. See if they can just shot in a couple of points here, or up point here. Good block there by the keeper. You can see goalkeeper lift paddle high, a really effective way to block those top corners. Kare roi toi ana I tēnei haurua tuatahi. Ki tēnā some boys e tima ka ari tere teki ka āta haere ka āta whakaro. Ka whai I ngā rautaki kia whai piro. Ki tēnei wai nānei tēnei ni ke whakamua ana rātou. Ana kia whakuru hoi anō I ārai pai tīma o St Andrews. Ngari anō ko Hammersmith boys high. Oh, tino tere tōna. Oh, I pai down I te hihia. Seeing what he was trying to do there. He saw that open play just at that time. Couldn't catch that ball. But they come back out again. Bit of hard paddling going on here. Between these two. Trying to jostle full position. Just trying to block. Mate, they cut in well there. St Andrew apply a lot of pressure, trying to push up. Force Hammersmith boys. A lot of jostling for position happening under the goal at the moment. Just gonna roll. Man, see if we can get a shot off. Bring it out again. 10 minutes to go here in this first half. I really want to get a point here. Hamilton have been in position for a long time here. They want to finish. But couldn't connect there. Ki te ana te kaua o te hara no reira kei St Andrew ahua te kei kona kia whai piro. Yeah. Some of the boys will be disappointed that they spent a lot of time on attack there. They were unable to finish. St Andrew quick transition, able to get a point and get on the board late, and that will take us to half time. We were even here in this last match for this field. Hammersmith boys high 1 and St Andrew 1. Timata, Te Haurua, Tuarua, Palmerston North able to get on the board early, just like the beginning of this game. Palmerston North got an early goal, and then St Andrew able to even it up at the end of the first half. And again, Palmerston North start really well. St Andrew want to kind of probably score a bit earlier than they did last time, and maybe even score twice. Again, this has been a very hard fought game, very even, a lot of tussling there. That time, great block there. Team e rua tino ka ki te ara, ki te ane nuinga. Āhuatanga whawhai, kia whai, tuinga pai. Nā te tīma, what a jostling for position. St Andrew will bring the ball out. And set up their attacking structure. Transitioning back again. No, Aroha Mai, St Andrew able to get a goal there, and they have ended up kind of early here in the second half. I said earlier this is the last game for this field today. Some really great games, some big margins. It's been interesting to see tactics, mostly defensive by each team. Some teams opting to kind of press hard up the whole time. Some teams opting to kind of drop back and wait for the attacking players to come to them. This game here has had a lot of tussling for position with the kayaks. There's St Palmerston North looking to kind of screen the St Andrew players out there. St Andrew fighting back, trying to get position back. It's a good block there by the keeper for St Andrew, but Palmerston North get in the key straight away. Oh, he can't finish there. So it will be Palmerston North in possession. Penalty there. We will get another shot. He makes it. Pretty tough to stop that if you're the keeper. But a huge goal there for Palmerston North Senior B. Nāne tōna rātou toru ki te rua. Ahua whāminati toi ana I roto I tēnei kemu. Koe anō ka tere. Te whakahoki o St Andrew. Kotwa pai there by St Andrew, and they've evened it up once again. This game's looking like it's going to be fought to the very end. Straight for it, Palmerston North. See the players cut through. able to find him, but St Andrew up to the task and they block Palmerston North straight away. If they pull it back out again, see if they can find some more holes in the St Andrew defence. Reira anō, Whaioia, Kia Pita, Whaere Tōtika. He's able to hit that, kind of caught St Andrew unaware there. They were looking more for the cutting player. He just saw there was an opening and he took it, able to get that goal. So 4-3 at the moment, about 2.5 minutes left this match. Oh, now finding opening on that left-right edge. Oh, but great defence there. Right, Palmerston North Boys High School. They get in transition, fast break here. He's able to get this. Yeah, he is. Well done. Palmerston North Boys High. St Andrew again. Not long to go in this match. They won't want to waste too much time here. St Andrew te poro ki te Aotearoa. Aia, papa tima tama o Pawhaioia. Tango I te poro mai rata, me te whai tu rata ake piro. Nō reira, kua rima te toru, hoi anō, te whai piro. Anō, kua whakatau, ngā piro. It's right up against him there. It's able to release Army boys, but there's so much pressure on. That was great work. And the pass release right into that space there. Oh, but his mate's unable to get it. And I want to get this ball out as quick as they can and score it. Ten minutes ana kia toi ana. St Andrew will push up. They'll be needing to turn this over as quickly as they can. They want to win this game at Palmerston North. So much strength in their pass. That time St Andrew got it. Here the crowd put the pressure on. The umpire, Te Anei Te Hara, sort of foul there, so they'll have to move back. Passing here by St Andrew. Oh, but great equal defence here by Palmerston North, and now probably take this match. Very hard fought match. A lot of goals in the second half. Bueno, katoa. Pawhaioia, Palmerston North Senior Boys B. We'll take this win over St Andrew 5-3. Great game this was here. Fifth and final game on this field 3. Congratulations to Palmerston North Boys High School, who will take this match. Ngā mihi, hoki mai anō apopo ki tēnei whira. He kēmu tonu e haere ana I runga I te whira tahi me te rua. Hoi anō, kua tau ngā kēmu me te whira tuatoru. Hoki mai anō apopo, hei te waru kraka I te ata. Ka haere tonu I nei kēmu mo tēnei whakataitai. Maka poi waka I tu ana ki mātou a Māui I tēnei mutinga wiki. Ngā mihi.